Good morning, children. Now we are seeing chapter 2, real numbers, right, children? In real number, exercise 2.2, question number 4, already we seen. So there is a small mistake, children. Just I want to rectify it, right? Now, see, fourth one, express the following decimal expression into rational number, right? Minus 5.132 is there. Minus 5.132. Minus 5.132. This can be written as 1 by 10th, 1 by 100, and third decimal is 1 by 1000, right? Same way we are splitting that. Minus 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. So here minus is there. So I have to put entirely. Either you can take bracket, entire bracket, or if I take entire bracket, it is easy. So minus is common. So in previous sum, I did not put minus. Only for minus 5 I did. Okay. So that is wrong, children. So minus you have to take common, right? If you take minus 5 outside, then you can write, take LCM 1000. So 5 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. 5 into 1000, 5000 plus 1 into 100, 100 plus 3 into 10, 30 plus 2 into 1, 2. So that gives minus of bracket 5000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 2. 5132 divided by 1000. It's clear, children? Now minus 5132 by 1000, right? So 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, divided by 500. Sorry, 500. Again you can divide with 2. So what do you get? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 by 250. So you get minus 1283 divided by 250. Actually this is textbook model, children. You can do in another method also. That also I'll tell you now. Now children, you can use other method also directly. That is minus 5.132 is the right. Minus 5.132, 3 decimal point means multiply and divide, conjugate. That is multiplied by 1000 by 1000. So what you get? Minus 5.132 by 1000. So when you divide it by 2, minus 2 2s are 4. Sorry, when you multiply with 1000, you get 5132 point, right? Now when you divide by 2, what you get? 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 6 are 12 by 2 how many times? 500 times. Again when you divide by 2, minus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. Here 2 2s are 4, 5 0. So you can this is I did in rational method, children, and this is directly you can do. Any method you can do. According to this textbook I have solved. The only thing should be very careful. You have to take minus common, right? Okay, children. Now we can see next sum. Real number, chapter 2, example 2.10, page number 53. Find any 3 irrational numbers between 0.12 and 0.13. So in between 0.12 and 0.13 there are etc numbers are there. Okay, You can write any 3. Solution, children. 3 irrational number. 3 irrational numbers between 0.12 and 0.13 are very simple, children. So I'm going to try to see 0.12, right? 0.12, you try to you start with 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 up to next number like that, comma, and you can write 0.12, see 0.12, 0.2, then you can write 0.12, 0.12, 0 1 means 0 2, you can write 0 3, you can write, so I'm going to write 0 4 0 0 4 0 0 0 and 4. Okay, children, comma, and I can write 0.120 700 70007. Okay, children, dot dot dot. So any 3 number you are, they are, so any 3 number if you write, that is okay. Now note point, children. We state without proof an important result worth remembering. If A is a rational number and B is an irrational number, then each one of the following is an irrational number. A is an irrational number and B is a rational number. See, children, A plus root B, A minus root B, A, that is rational number into irrational number. Rational number divided by irrational number, that is numerator is rational number and denominator is irrational number. Now fifth one, root B, irrational number divided by rational number. So here some of the examples. So 4 plus root 5. Root 4 is a rational number, root 5 is a irrational number. 4 minus root 5. 4 root 5, 4 by root 5. Root 5 by 4 are irrational number. Now we'll see some example, children. Example 2.11, page number 54. Give any 2 rational numbers. Give any 2 rational number lying between 0.15, sorry, 0.5151151115 dot 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 and 0.535335 dot dot. You have tried two rational numbers. So solution, 2 rational numbers between the given 2 irrational number is, so you can write 0. See, children, 515, you make 1 as round off as 2 and 0.535 and 3 as 2, right? Because number of terms are there, numbers are there. It's clear, children? We can see next sum, example 2.12. Example 2.12. Find whether x and y are rational or irrational in the following. So solution, first is a value is given, a is equal to 2 plus root 3. B is given as 2 minus root 3. And you have to find x and y. After finding the x and y, you have to say it is a rational or irrational number. It's clear, children? So first, what is the question is, x is equal to a plus b. X is equal to what? A plus b. Right. X is equal to, a value is what? 2 plus root 3. 2 is a rational number, root 3 is an irrational number. Plus b is what? 2 minus root 3. 2 is a rational number, root 3 is an irrational number. Now when you add, here see, children, plus root 3 and minus root 3 is there. So when you eliminate, what you get? X is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is what number? Yes, it is a rational number. It is a rational number. Now second subdivision. A is equal to root 2 plus 7, B equal to root 2 minus 7. X equal to A plus B, Y equal to A minus B. After finding X and Y, you have to say it is a rational number or irrational number. Yes, children, we'll see. Solution. A is what? Root 2 plus 7. B value is what? Root 2 minus 7. First you have to find X value. X value is given as A plus B. A value is what? Root 2 plus 7. B value is what? Root 2 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 eliminate. It is a root 2 root 2. Right? It is a like term. Right? Root 2 like. So root 2 plus root 2 equal to 2 root 2. So how root 2 na? Here 1 is there. Here 1 is there. Okay. So 2 root 2. For example, if I take here x plus x. Right? That means here 1, here also 1. So how you will write x plus x is 2x. It's clear. Same way, root 2, root 2. When you add, you get 2 root 2. So 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is what number? See children, 2 root 2. So in note you have seen that. See, these are all irrational number. When rational plus irrational, rational minus irrational, rational into irrational, rational by irrational, or irrational by rational, or irrational number. Right? Now you see children, what result you get? 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 is what number? Is an x is equal to 2 root 2. So is an irrational number. Irrational number. Now y is equal to what children? A minus b. A is what? Root 2 plus 7. A value as root 2 plus 7 minus b value is what? Root 2 minus 7. So root 2 plus 7 minus into plus minus root 2 minus to minus plus 7 plus root 2 minus root 2 get cancel. 7 plus 7 is 14. So y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14 is what number? A rational number. What number? A rational number. Now we can see third subdivision. Third subdivision, a equal to root 75, b equal to root 3, x value as ab, a into b, y value is a divided by b. Right? Solution given. A is equal to what? Root 75. B is equal to root 3. So you have to find x value and you have to say what type of number. It is a rational number or irrational number. X equal to a into b. A is what? Root 75. B is what? Root 3. Right? Now we know that root a into root b. How you can write root of a into b? Right? So same way you can write root of 75 into 3. When you factorize 75, what you get? 5 tables. 5 ones are 5. Balance 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. Now I can write as 5 into 5 into 3. So already 3 is there. I write this 3 here. Right? Now I make into pair. So that is 5 squared into 3 squared. Right? A power m into b power m. I can write a b the whole power m. Same way a power m into b power m. I can write a into b the whole power m. Square and root get cancelled. 5 3s are, you get 15. So x is equal to 15 is a rational number. X equal to 15 a rational number. Understood children? Rational number. Now y is equal to a divided by b is given. Y equal to a divided by b. A value is what? Root 75 is given. B value is what? Root 3 is given. So 75 when you factorize you get 5 15 times, 5 3 times. Right? Now I can write it as root of 75 equal to root of 5 squared into 3. This can be written as root of 5 squared and root of 3. Square and root get cancelled. 5 root 3. So root of 75 can be written as 5 root 3. In the place of root 75 I can write 5 root 3 divided by root 3. Now root 3 get cancelled. Right? Root 3 get cancelled. So what I get? Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 is a what number? A rational number. A rational number. Understood children? So x and y value you have to find. After finding x and y, and you state whether it is a rational or irrational number. Now we can go for fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision, what is given? A is equal to root 18, b is equal to root 3, and x is equal to ab, y is equal to a by b. So solution, a is equal to root 18, b equal to root 3, x value is a into b, how to find? Y equal to a by b. First find x equal to a into b. A is what? Root 18. B is what? Root 3. That is, you can write root of 18 into 3. Right? 18 into 3. 18 how many times? 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. So I can write it as 2 into 3 into 3. Again here another 3 is here. Right? So I can write it as, make pair this one. 2 into 3, 6. No pairs. I put multiply 6. Here 3 square. Now I can make split like this. Root of 6 and root of 3 square. Square root get cancelled. I can write 3 root 6. So 3 root 6, right? 3 root 6. So rational, irrational multiplication is, that means that is an irrational number. And you have to find y. Y is what? A divided by b. A is what, children? Root of 18. B is what? Root 3. And 18 can be written as, right? Root 18 can be written as, here already given, 3 squared into 2. That is root of 3 squared into 2. Square root cancel. 3 root 2 I can write. So root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. Right? 3. See children, instead of writing 3 root 2, I can write root 18 as 6 3s are 18. See, 18 as 6 into 3, 18 divided by root 3. So I can split root 6 into root 3 by root 3. Now root 3 get cancelled. You get what? Root 6. So y equal to root 6. So root 6 is what number? Is an irrational number. An irrational number. Understood children? Page number 55, question number 2. Find any two rational numbers between 0.3010011000111 and 0.30200200002 up to etc. Okay, so in between any two irrational number, very simple children. If given like this, there are infinite numbers are there in between numbers, right? So what you're going to do is just you put 0.301, next you can add 2 or 3, whatever number like that. You put any number. Same way 0.02 is the means 3 and write any number. So that is the answer. So we'll see two rational numbers between the given numbers are. So I said no, 0.301. I put 2022000222. Same way 0.3013003333 etc. That's all children. There are number of any infinite numbers are there in between numbers. Okay children, now we can go to third sum. So third sum is what? Same way, any two rational number between 6 by 7 and 12 by 13, right? First you take 6 by 7. So 6 by 7, when you divide 6, how many times? 0. Okay, so 0. Balance 6. 0.0, right? Then how many times 7? 7 8s are 56. Balance 4 0. 7 5s are 35. Balance 5 0. 7 7s are 49. Balance 1 0. 7 1s are 7. Balance 3 take 0. 7 4s are 28. Balance 2 take 0. 7 2s are 14. Balance 6 0. See children, again see it's repeated 6 zeros, right? 6. Then 56 will come, then 40 will come, right? Up to etc. So you get 8 5 7 1 4 2. Again 8 is coming, right? So no need to write. You put dot dot dot. Now you can write 0.85742. Again repeating 8. No need to write again repeating number. So you write like this, right? Next you have to find 12 by 13. So 12 by 13, same way. 12 by 13 you have to find 13 divided by 12 by 13, right? Now what you can do is, see, 13, 0 times 12, point take 0, 13 9s are 117, balance 3, 0, 13 2s are 26, balance 4, take 0, 13 3s are 39, then balance 1, then take 0, then 13 7s are 91, 9 take 0, then 19 6 are 78, then 12 balance 0, like it goes. So I can write 0.923076. It's clear, children? See, here 120 is there, again it's 120 is repeating, so leave like this. So two rational numbers are, you write 0. See children, see, one is 6 by 7, you got a 0.857142, right? And 12 by 13 as this, so I can write 0. Instead of 5 7, I can write 61 661166, any number you can write up to 0.8717, next number, like that. Okay, now third subdivision, children. Now root 2 root 3, you know root 2 value is what? 1.414. Root 3 value is 1.732, right? So in between numbers you can write any number. So 1 point, I can write 1.51551155 and 1.61661166. It's clear, children? Next, last sum. Find any two rational number. Find any two rational numbers between 2.2360679 and 2.236505500 . So two rational numbers are 2.2362 and 2.2363. See children, 2.2360 is there, you put 62 or 61, 63 or 64, whatever it is, and 2.2363 is there. So it has many answers. It's clear, children? Okay, today we'll complete this one, children. So you'll be having test, cycle test, so first chapter. So prepare well, children. If you have any doubts, you can ask your respective subject teacher, maths teacher. It's clear, children? God bless. Thank you.